Attention doctors, are you a doctor with an age in between 30 to 45 and struggling with money management and would like to create wealth like a 25 crore, 30 crore, 50 crore kind of thing with our simple Happycoin money shield strategy? Then this video is for you. In this video, we are not only going to discuss about those things, we are going to discuss in detail related to how to get a financial peace, financial freedom, how to create second source of income parallel to your current income without much hard work or overtimes or without much doing multiple things. So this all can happen with simple money management strategies. In this 25-minute program, I'm going to discuss in detail. I'm going to train you in detail related to this, and I'll teach you how your money can work for you and create tremendous wealth. We are going to discuss. And this program is already attended by many CEOs of the companies, CAs, chartered accountants, and company professionals, doctors, lawyers, all these people. But that was a very common program. But now I designed this program exclusively for doctors with age in between 30 to 45 years. If you are in that category, please complete this training program without missing any part. And in the end, I'm going to give you a bonus, free bonus, if you can without skipping if you keep continuing the program.